National Testing Agency has released the admit card for NIFT 2024 on February 2nd. Candidates can download hall ticket using their application number and date of birth. Through this video, Careers 360 provides steps to download admit card. First, visit the official NIFT website at exams.nta.ac.in/NIFT. Look for the link that says NIFT Admit Card 2024 download. Clicking on the link will redirect you to enter your application number, date of birth and security PIN. After logging in, admit card will be displayed on the screen. Download and take a printout of the same. Admit card is an important document as it includes information such as exam date and time, roll number, exam center name and address and exam day recommendations. For more details on NIFT Admit Card 2024, check the description box below.